So if you guys came to the shop, you can tell how much soda we drink on a daily basis. Drink after drink after drink. My oh my, this is Diabetes City. And an Oreo cookie shake. Hey, what's up guys? Good morning and welcome to LTMW. Today is Friday the 27th. Actually, today is Friday the 28th and we got about 29 more days till SEMA. We are still building cars. It's crunch time. A lot of the guys have been staying late and I'm going to take you inside where we're building an old new 996. Good morning, Ivan.
Good morning, Vic.
What are we doing today?
Today we're on a 2002 Porsche Carrera 4S.
Yeah. What are we doing to it?
Today we're going to be doing old and new Widebody kit on this car. Yep, so started with the front bumper, fenders removal, getting a new mock-up from the front end. Start cleaning up the rear, wing, take out the deck lid, new deck lid. Yep, and then I believe it's going to get a color change or a wrap on this one. I think it's a wrap.
I believe it's a color change.
Is it a color change?
Ferrari red.
Oh, even better.
Good morning, Felix.
Morning.
What are we doing today?
I'm just gonna start painting this body kit from Prior Design for Ferrari outside. It's gonna be Rosso Corsa.
Oh, you made me miss it.
That's not my fault.
That was totally your fault.
I didn't tell you to take the camera, move this way, do that.
Put it back on. No, I just
Here's the camera guy. Sorry, dude. Yeah. This is off. We're not gonna go back out.
You miss it, man. You can make it, it's no good. Tomorrow don't come here to work. We're looking for another camera guy.
That's messed up. That's
That's
how
true.
it is here. That's how it is. Alright.
Well, we can always go with yours because you did it a lot slower than he did.
Yeah, go London, we come back for this time.
Go to London, then we'll come back.